Okay, this is 702. It's 1,150 square feet. It's a 2-2, really, it's really kind of like a den. It has a slightly open kitchen here, renovated, nicely renovated. Whirlpool appliances, quartz counters, corner sink, just simple cabinets. You have big closets here. They're shallow, but they're two closets in the dining area. This is the living room, so typically people put a wall up right here. And this is the second bedroom slash den. You can see it's still got the ceiling to floor windows. It's got the view. You've got some trees, but it's still a very nice view from this height. You have a nice sized balcony. This does not have impact windows, but you have a nice sized balcony, you know, with a nice view. And there you go in. It's got a porcelain. No, it's got like a laminate wood floor. It's not porcelain, it's laminate. You have a washer dryer here, full size. And you have a bathroom that's totally under construction. It's a small bathroom, but it's gonna be updated. You also have a small closet here, so that officially this could be called a bedroom. And again, you have, this is just an original bathroom, but it's going to be updated with a small shower. So then you walk into the master. Decent sized master. It's smaller than the other ones, but it's a nice size still. You can easily fit a king size bed. These are the views from the bed. And then you walk through here, you have this is the original bathroom, but it's white marble. It's in decent shape. And then you have a tub in here as well. You do not have a tub in the other one, but you have a very nice bathroom and a good sized closet. No popcorn ceiling, it's a master, it's a big walk-in. You could also bust into the other closet. But anyway, so that is the unit. That's it.